Hey guys, so in this tutorial, let's check out how to create your own Google Chrome extension. So let's get started. So here is a demo. So you can see this is my simple web page and it has been converted into a Google Chrome extension, and I can simply open it by going to extension tab, and there is the application, or you can say my Google Chrome extension. I can just open it and the web page gets open. Okay, so let's check out how we can build this. So let's get started. So for this, I must create a web application or a web page which will be loaded as an extension to this browser. So let me create a project first of all and then convert it into an extension. So for this, I have already created a empty folder and open it in my VS Code, and it is some completely empty project or empty folder, you can see. So over here I will just create a file that is index.html, which will be a simple HTML web page, and I will just add my code. So here there is nothing other than body tag and some text and nothing else. Okay, so now if I load this index.html page, you can see this page gets open. So it is just a text format over here. So now I want to just load this web application or a web page as an extension. So for this, in your current project, we must create a file by name manifest.json, by which we can convert it into our web app, the Google Chrome extension. So here just create a file by name manifest.json. So this will be a simple JSON file, that is object, key and value pair. So here are some properties that you just need to define. We can say it is a starting point of our application to know the browser from where the extension starts. Okay, so here you just need to define a key value pair. So name of your application, I will just name it as create extension. Okay, you can just name it anything. And then second name, you just need to define a version. So version should always start with 1.0.0. And the third thing is description if you want to add. And then mandatory is some manifest version you just need to add. So current is 3. So manifest underscore version. And if you want, you can just add a author name, who is the creator of this application, author. I will just write my name over here. And this is the mandatory thing, that is the main thing that you just need to define, that is action. So here action defines the starting point or the main action that should load whenever your web application starts. So you can see when I run this extension, my HTML page gets loaded, right? So here you just need to define that. So here default pop-up underscore pop-up. Okay, and you just need to define the path of your HTML page, that is index.js. So mine is root, so I will just name it as index.js, and then you can just define the title. Okay, default title. So if you do not default name this if you do not name this name, then you can just give the default name over here, default title. Okay, so I'll just give it the same name. Okay, so copy paste. Yeah, okay, so now let me run this and install this as an Chrome extension. So for this, you just need to go to Chrome again, manage extension. So if you do not find this, you just need to turn on developer mode. Okay, so if it is off, then you cannot see that option. So you can see load unpacked. So you just need to go to this option. So if you cannot find this, you just need to go to this 3 dots, go to extension, manage extension. Okay, so this will get open, and you just need to tick this developer mode, unpack, load unpack, and now just go to the desktop and open your folder. Okay, so here is my project. So just select that and install. So extension loaded. So you can see this is my extension. And now I want to change the logo. So you can see over here, I have just changed the logo of my earlier extension. So you can see I want to just change it. So you can just add that image path in your manifest. Okay, so let me show you how. So here there is a property called as icons. So for this, you just need to create a folder in your root directory. Okay, I will just create as icons, or I can just name it as images. Okay, and inside this image I can just paste any logo. Okay, so I'll just paste my logo itself. So this is my logo, and I want to just show this as my logo. So here I just need to define a size of my logo. So I will just keep it as 48 pixels. So you can just give anything. Okay, and then the path of this image. Okay, so the path is images and then icon.png. Okay, so I'll just save this file. Now let me refresh. So you can see it is not showing. So I just need to reinstall this. So I'll just remove this again. I will remove this also. Okay, load unpack desktop, and then just select the folder of your project, install. So you can see I can see the logo now. So if I go to the details, so you can see there is no description because I have not provided the description. So you can just provide it by adding another tab over here, that is description. So here the description, you can just give this is demo, save it, and similarly you can see version is defined, the size of this application is been provided over here, the unique ID has been created, okay, and there are various permissions. So you can just check out my other videos in future. And now let me load this again. So I'll just remove this, unpack. So you can see it's got installed. So this time if I see the details, you can see that is the description. So now let me load this extension by clicking on this extension tab. So you can see my web application is getting loaded. So right now I can easily change anything in this code. So let me show you the live example. So if I change hello world, hello welcome to Protocol Response, I will just add this one symbol, save it. So in the real time it will just get updated. So that's all for this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Protocol Response. Thank you.